This is Bisno on Business, profiling local companies. So what is Animators at Law, a tech startup of one lawyer and 3 artists based in Old Town? Well, first of all, it's a great name. Sounds a lot more interesting than Attorneys at Law, which is why it was founded. Ken Lopez, now 29, son of an artist, found his mind wandering in law school. Instead of studying for exams, he'd be doing computer simulations at his PC and wondering how he could use his legal skills doing something he really wanted. He noticed that courtrooms in the early 90s were starting to use videos to explain complicated facts to juries. A friend of his introduced him to the head of a simulation firm who could provide startup capital and subcontract to make videos. Ken's forte was working with expert witnesses to figure out what needed to be explained, like how some patented part works, then designing a 5-minute video with way cool animated graphics, kind of like the dancing mosquitoes in the Pepsi ads. Now he's got his own artists and wants to grow. I'll tell you how in my next report. This is Bisno on Business, profiling local companies. In my last report, I told you about Animators at Law, a small old-town startup that creates computer simulations to show at trials. They use high-end software from Silicon Graphics, same as for Jurassic Park and Titanic, but instead of showing dinosaurs or sinking ships, they show juries things like a small patented part deep inside a 20-ton generator which ain't going to be hauled into a courtroom. Patent cases are perfect because A, they're boring, and B, Northern Virginia, site of the patent office, means there's lots of patent lawyers around here. Juries watch on a big screen TV, and the animation is pitched at the 6th to 12th grade level. They figure the market is huge because the cost of videos has gone from about $500,000 a few years ago to $5,000 to $25,000 now. They're looking for $3 to $4 million in venture capital so they can grow from 4 people to 16 by the end of this year and maybe a lot more in future years. Their mission, make the complicated and boring simple and interesting. The founder is really a lawyer? Mark Bisno, WTOP Money News.